Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about how to obtain a green card through marriage in 2024. Securing a green card through marriage is a significant step for many couples seeking to build a future together in the United States. The process can be intricate and requires careful attention to detail to ensure all requirements are met and deadlines are adhered to. In 2024, understanding the latest procedures and updates is crucial for navigating this journey smoothly. This video will walk you through the essential steps and provide valuable insights into obtaining a green card through marriage in the current year. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Navigating the process of obtaining a green card through marriage involves several key steps that require careful preparation and understanding in 2024. Ensuring that you and your spouse are well prepared and informed can make a significant difference in the success of your application. Here's a video to help you through the process. From evaluating your relationship to preparing for the final steps of obtaining your green card. 1. Evaluate your relationship. Before diving into the paperwork, it's crucial to assess the strength and authenticity of your relationship. Reflect on whether your U.S. citizen or green card holder spouse is genuinely committed to supporting you through this process. Are you both equally invested in building a life together in the U.S.? It's important to ensure that there are no underlying issues such as bitterness or unresolved conflicts that could affect the application process. Evaluate whether your partner is truly ready to file for you, and if they are on your side throughout this journey. This introspection can prevent potential challenges and delays that may arise from relationship issues. A strong, supportive partnership will not only make the process smoother, but also strengthen your case for a genuine marriage. 2. Assess your living situation. Understanding and documenting your living arrangements is a critical step. Are you and your spouse living together permanently, or are your living situations more transient? While it is not necessarily a problem if you are living apart temporarily, it's important to clarify the reasons behind this arrangement. For instance, if one of you is living in a different state for work or personal reasons, make sure this is well documented and explained in your application. Additionally, consider how you plan to merge your financial lives. Will you open a joint bank account, purchase life insurance together, or add each other to existing accounts such as health insurance or car insurance? Discuss these matters with your spouse and decide on a plan that demonstrates a genuine and committed relationship. Immigration authorities look closely at these details to assess the authenticity of your marriage. 3. Consult an immigration lawyer. If you have any concerns regarding your immigration history or potential legal issues, it's essential to seek the advice of an immigration lawyer before filing your application. An experienced attorney can guide how to address any complications that may arise due to past issues or criminal records. Their expertise will help ensure that your application is handled correctly and that any potential problems are resolved early in the process. 4. Gather required evidence. Collecting and organizing your evidence is a critical step in proving the legitimacy of your marriage. The documents you'll need include identification documents, your passport, birth certificate, and passport-sized photos, marriage certificate, proof of your legal marriage, evidence of cohabitation, documents such as a lease agreement, utility bills, and correspondence that show you live together, communication records, logs of phone calls, text messages, and other forms of communication, financial records, proof of joint financial accounts, tax returns, and any shared financial responsibilities, letters of support. Although not mandatory, letters from family and friends affirming the authenticity of your relationship can be helpful. Gathering comprehensive evidence will strengthen your application and help you demonstrate that your marriage is genuine. 5. Prepare and submit the forms. Depending on whether your spouse is currently in the U.S. or abroad, you will need to prepare and submit different forms. If your spouse is in the U.S., Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative. Form I-130. Form I-485, Application to Register Permanent Residence or Adjust of Status. Form I-864, Affidavit of Support. Form I-765, Application for Employment Authorization Optional. Form I-131, Application for Travel Document, if applicable. If your spouse is outside the U.S., Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative. Form DS-260, Immigrant Visa Application, submitted to the National Visa Center. Form I-864, Affidavit of Support. Additional documents as required by the U.S. Embassy or Consulate. 6. Attend the interview. An interview is a mandatory part of the green card application process. While some applicants received interview waivers in 2023, this practice has been limited, and many will now face an interview if your spouse is overseas. The interview will take place at the U.S. Embassy in the U.S. The interview will take place at the U.S. Embassy in the U.S. The interview will be conducted by USCIS. Prepare for the interview by reviewing your application and supporting documents. Both you and your spouse should be ready to answer questions about your relationship and your shared life consistency and honesty, and your responses are crucial. 7. Await the decision and receive your green card. If your application is successful, you will receive your green card depending on the length of your marriage at the time of approval. You will either receive a conditional green card valid for 2 years or a permanent green card valid for 10 years. The conditional green card is issued if your marriage is less than 2 years old at the time of approval to transition from a conditional to a permanent green card. You must file a petition to remove the conditions before the 2-year period ends. In summary, obtaining a green card through marriage in 2024 involves evaluating your relationship, preparing comprehensive documentation, consulting legal experts, and navigating the application and interview processes by following these steps diligently. You can enhance your chances of a successful application and start your new life together in the United States. Obtaining a green card through marriage is an important milestone that can pave the way for a new chapter in life by following the updated procedures and staying informed about any changes in the process for 2024. Couples can streamline their application and enhance their chances of success. Remember, while the journey may seem complex, careful preparation and adherence to guidelines will help you achieve your goal of securing permanent residency and building a future together in the United States. That is all for today. In this video, what are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about how to obtain a green card through marriage in 2024. Obtaining a green card through marriage in 2024 involves several crucial steps, beginning with the thorough evaluation of your relationship with your US citizen or green card holder spouse. It is essential to ensure that your partner is genuinely supportive and committed to helping you through the application process. A strong and authentic relationship will facilitate smoother progress and help prevent complications that might arise from underlying issues or unresolved conflicts. Once you're confident in the strength of your relationship, assess your living situation and financial arrangements. Immigration authorities look closely at your shared life, including whether you live together permanently, manage finances jointly, and share responsibilities. Ensuring that you and your spouse have merged your financial lives, such as through joint bank accounts or shared insurance policies, will provide the necessary evidence of a bona fide relationship. Consulting with an immigration lawyer is highly recommended, especially if there are concerns about your immigration history or potential legal issues. An experienced attorney can guide you through the process and help address any complications that might affect your application. Gathering the required evidence is another key step. This includes identification documents, your marriage certificate, proof of cohabitation, communication records, financial documents, or optionally, letters of support from family and friends. Collecting comprehensive and well-organized evidence and strengthen your case and demonstrate the legitimacy of your marriage. You will then need to prepare and submit the appropriate forms. If your spouse is in the US, you will need to file Form I-130, Form I-130A, Form I-485, Form I-864, and optionally Form I-765 and Form I-131. If your spouse is outside the US, you will primarily file Form I-130 and complete additional steps at the US Embassy or Consulate. An interview is a mandatory part of the process, and preparing for it involves reviewing the application and supporting documents thoroughly. If successful, you will receive either conditional green card valid for 2 years or permanent green card valid for 10 years, depending on the duration of your marriage at the time of approval. For a conditional green card, you will need to file a petition to remove the condition before it expires.